Yeah, welcome back to my channel. I'm the one and the only Chibado Space. Guys, today we are going to be unboxing my products I bought from Amazon online, okay? I do buy some things from Amazon, and today I decided to come and unbox with you guys. I like unboxing. Chibado Space. You guys know that we do unbox here, we do product review. So whatever I buy, sometimes I would like to unbox this, guys. Don't forget to like this video, share, and comment. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. So let me start from one of it. Yeah, I have two boxes, small box anyway, small box. Yeah, shopping. Wow. Woo! Boom! Somebody will say, is it this you are unboxing? I like unboxing, guys. This is a eco gel. This eco gel is so big. Do you see how big this eco gel is? I'll be using it here to make hair. That's why I unbox it here. I like eco gel. Mostly this is olive oil styling gel. And this is so big. This is how many grams? This is, wow, 907 gram. 907 grams. This is big. I don't think I can finish this for this year. So this is one of the things I bought. I bought a lot of things. I don't know if they sent all of them, but the one they sent is what I'm going to unbox with you guys for today or today. And another things I have here is, wow, boom. This is also, I have things here. You guys know this particular See Brighter Days. You know these Brighter Days. This is vitamin C. It is written vitamin C brightening toner or the tonic. You can see it. So in case you want vitamin C, you can apply before you apply your face cream. Get it. Is so nice. Since I started using this, I see a change on my skin, my face. Let me see my face because I use it only on my face. It's very nice. If you like vitamin C, get it. You're going to like it. I love it. Even when we traveled before, you can see me when I was trying to apply my cream. I applied this before my face cream. So get it. It's very cheap. I'm going to also link it here. You can as well get it if you like it. So another thing I can show you here I got is, boom, oh my goodness, this body cream. The name is, let me show you before I mention it. Look at it here. The name is Vino Gold. Vino Gold is a feminine body cream, and you know, guys, why I love it. It's anti-age body cream, guys. It's anti-age body cream, guys. This cream is wonderful. I started using this cream for, let's say, a year now. I saw a difference, my people. I saw a very good difference. Okay, you know, anti-age cream is not what you can be applying only on your face. You can as well apply it on your body. This particular body cream is anti-age body cream. You can get it. It's very nice. I'm going to link it here. Yeah, if in case you like it, just get it from there. You're going to like it. I love it. Do you know why I love it? It's too big. Before you finish this, hey, Thai Kingdom come. You know how many grams? This is 500 ml. This is very big. You cannot even use it. I even do it to the extent that I do it every 4 months. They will send this for me. Every 4 months, they will send it for me, because I don't know if I can even open this particular cream, this body cream, for you to see how wonderful this is. You know, this is so nice. It has also face cream. The face cream is also anti-age. Look at how it is. Look at how butter looking this is. Look at it. Okay, let me apply it on my skin here. Look at it here. Look at it. I apply even too much. Let's see. Very small. You will see. This see how it looks on my skin. It's very nice. Moisturizes your skin. So nice. It can, even if you stay like 2 days, you have not even taken your bath, it will still shine on your skin. Do you see it? Very, very nice. Very good for winter, summer, all weather. This is so beautiful, guys. I'm going to link it. If you like it, just get it. Even if you want to also do like me, if you don't like using cream much, you can make it 6 months. They can send in 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. Every 6 months they send it to you. It's cheap, not too cheap, but it's good. It is not from, it's 20 something euro like that. It's not too teuer. Let me not speak Dutch. It's not too costly, guys. It's very nice. So get it if you like anti-age cream for the body. Okay, it's a body cream, and once again that looks like it is the face cream. It's the same make, understand? They are the same people that make it. It's the same, the Vino Gold, the same people that made it. It's so nice and also good. This is also anti-age, but this is only for face, and this is only for the body. This is for body, and this is for the face. You can see it. So this is 24 hours face cream, and it is anti-age, guys. This is so good and so nice. Okay, this is not too costly again. From 20 euro up, it's not too costly. Look at it. I started to use this because after I used it like 6 months, I saw a change on my skin and my body. Said no, I can't do without it. I begin to buy. I send it for them to send it for me every 4 months, and they are sending it to me. Look at it. This is how, look at how they seal it like Mary Kay. Yeah, I like cream they seal very, very nice like this. Look at it. So let me also show you how the face cream looks like. Look at how it looks like. So nice, so butterish, and so let me use it also on my another part of my skin. Look at how creamish this looks. It's so nice, guys. So if you like anti-age cream that is not too costly, that is so good, just get it for yourself. And I love it because it doesn't have like day and night. It's just for day, and it doesn't have like the one to use in the night or day. This is for 24 hours. You can, when you wear it in the morning, you wash your body, your face, apply it. In the night, the same thing, you apply it. It's so good. And good stick. Dutch call it good stick. Good stick means it's pride word. It's not too cost, guys. So the last but not the least here, I have here is this. Boom! This is aloe vera. Oh my god, I bought very fine things today, guys. This is aloe vera, guys, and this aloe vera, I'm going to link all the products down on this video. Just get it from there if you want to use it. This aloe vera is very nice, guys. If you are looking for aloe vera to apply on your body, or you are looking for aloe vera for your hair, this is for you. Look at it. It is natural aloe vera. They wrote it 7 minerals. 7 minerals aloe vera gel. So guys, you have to get these things. They are very nice for us, women and men. All these things I'm showing you, men can use it, women can use it. I'm telling you the truth. The face cream, men and women can use it. The body cream anti-age, men and women can use it. okay, let's say gel is for the women. Only the men, yeah, men that do coiling hair can as well use it too. And the vitamin C also, men and women can use it, guys. And the aloe vera is for hair and body that can use it. So how to use this aloe vera? After washing your hair very nice, you just pop it, open it, and apply it on your hair. It will make your hair so smooth, make it so smooth, easy to comb, and so on and so. Look at how the gel looks so nice. I do use it to wash my children their hair. I use it to after washing their hair, I use it to apply on their hair. The combing will be easier for me. Even the last time I made my daughter hair, it has finished. That's why I got another one. Had it been, I still have it. Oh my god, that hair I made last time would not even waste me time. So this is very nice. You can apply it on your body as well on your hair. Guys, hope this unboxing, you will grab one or two things from it. Check all the products I will tag here. Anyone you like, get it from Amazon. Amazon can ship worldwide. Wherever you are, you're going to get. So here comes again a wonderful crispy chicken I'm going to make with you guys. This is a good snacks you can eat in the afternoon like this. Just make this crispy chicken for your family. They're going to thank you for that. This is good when you it's very good in the weekend like that. If you have children, if you have kids that like something like snacks, once in a while you can prepare this and they're going to love it. This is a paprika, turmeric, salt, cinnamon powder, and the chicken powder. I add them and I mix them very well. Mix them thoroughly to rhyme together. So we're gonna add them here. We're gonna add them here. I don't want to waste time to do them one after the other. I add them here, just like this. I have here 5 eggs. I add them. You can reduce the eggs, okay? You can add like 2 or 3 if you like. And once my coating to be have a somehow big layer. So I want it to have a somehow big layer. So you can, but you can reduce your egg if you don't like too much egg. You can add like 3, 4. I said like so. Watch to the end. Let me allow you to watch to the end. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this combination of these. Wow, it is done, guys. Enjoy yourself. Let's share it now. So guys, you can as well enjoy this crispy chicken with your drinks or whatever you like. I'm going to enjoy it with the potato salad. I made this potato salad by myself, but you know the video is already too long. I don't want it to go ahead to add another thing. That's why I want to keep it this way. Maybe next time I'm going to show you how to prepare your own potato salad at home, and whenever you want it you can as well prepare it. And me, I like red onions. Okay, I'm going to also use the red onions to eat mine. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share and like. Let me know what you think about this video. Bye for now. Love you. See the outcome of this video. Looks so yummy and delicious. Bye. Love you all.